Copy trading crypto meme coins on Solana. Tips and tricks from the Bingx platform. The meme coin Goldmine. Unlocking wealth with copy trading on Solana. Yo, my dudes. Are you tired of watching those big shot crypto brothers raking the big bucks while you're stuck on the sidelines? Well, listen up, cause I'm about to spill the beans on how you can get in on the action too. My name's Ryan, and I'm here to share my insider secrets on how to make a killing with copy trading meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Now, I know what you're thinking. Meme coins. Isn't that just a bunch of hype and hot air? Well, my friends, let me tell you, there's a whole lot more to it than that. You see, the Solana network is like the wild, wild west of the crypto world. It's a breeding ground for the latest and greatest meme coins, and with the right strategy, you can ride that wave all the way to the bank. And the key to unlocking that potential? Copy trading, baby? Now, I know what you're thinking. Copy trading. Isn't that just for the big boys with deep pockets? Wrong-o. My dude, with the Bingx platform, anyone can get in on the action. And let me tell you, when you've got the right moves, the gains can be absolutely mind-blowing. So, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the world of Solana meme coins and copy trading. By the time I'm done, you'll be ready to put on your big boy pants and start raking in the dough. First things first, let's talk about the Solana network. This bad boy is quickly becoming the go-to platform for meme coin enthusiasts, and for good reason. It's faster, cheaper, and more scalable than the OG, Bitcoin. And with the rise of decentralized exchanges like Bingx, it's never been easier to get in on the action. Now, when it comes to meme coins, the possibilities are endless. You've got your Doga coins, your Shiba Inus, and a whole host of other wacky and wonderful tokens that are just waiting to make you rich. And with copy trading, you can ride the coattails of the pros who know how to spot the next big thing. But hold up, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Meme coins can be notoriously volatile, and if you're not careful, you can end up getting your butt handed to you. That's why it's so important to have a solid strategy in place. And that's where the Bingx platform comes in. With Bingx, you can tap into the collective wisdom of a global community of traders and literally copy their moves. No more guesswork, no more trying to time the market. Just sit back and let the pros do the heavy lifting. And the best part? You can start with as little as $10. That's right, folks, you don't need to be a high roller to get in on the action. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, what if I don't know the first thing about crypto? No sweat, my friend. Bingx has got you covered. They've got a user-friendly platform that even your grandma could navigate and a ton of educational resources to help you get up to speed. And let me tell you, once you start seeing those gains roll in, you're gonna be hooked. I'm talking about the kind of returns that'll make your head spin. We're talking 10x, 20x, even 50x. The sky's the limit when you've got the right strategy in place. But hold up, there's one more thing I want to mention. When you sign up for Bingx, make sure to use the referral code 911. Trust me, it's a game changer. Not only will you get a sweet little bonus to get you started, but you'll also be tapping into a whole network of like-minded traders who are ready to share their secrets. So, what are you waiting for, my friends? It's time to get in on the meme coin action and start making some serious cash. Just head over to Bingx, use that referral code 911, and let the good times roll. And remember, I'll be here every step of the way, cheering you on and sharing my hottest tips and tricks. Let's do this, my dudes. The crypto world is your oyster, and with copy trading on Solana, the world is your oyster. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get this party started.